Hey, you ready to head to the arena?
Always, man.
Then you all ready to go. Mila packed you a bag, and I just emailed over your itinerary.
Appreciate y'all, bro.
Anytime, man. You know, I wish I could go with you, but the MP train don't drive itself.
Come on now, man. Hey, another day, another dollar, right?
You already know. But I'll see you back here after you take care of Shep.
Yes, sir. Looking forward to it.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure these guys regret not drafting the truth. Shep Owens.
Hey, you crushing it, bro. So good, Shep. The best.
Let's run it back. More energy, man.
Yeah, okay, that's what I was gonna say. I was
MP.
thinking.
What's good, fam?
Not much, man. How you?
Hey, it's all Gucci, fam. Just filming a quick shot about the game. Playing up the whole rivalry angle, you know? How your fans don't like you and all that.
They don't, though. They don't.
Y'all real funny, you know that? That sounds good, man. I'm gonna see you out there.
Whoa. Sounds good. I'm gonna see you out there. Man, I'm trying to make that fire content, son. Give me something I can use.
Yo, just off rip, I'm not an actor. So I'm not gonna help you make no fired content, bro.
And that's why your fans don't like you. No personality and you take yourself too seriously.
Yeah, why so serious, bro?
It's more like I don't take you serious. At all. In fact, you a joke to me, my man.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Didn't know you had that in you, my boy. Maybe you'll win a few fans now.
Sounds good, man. Hey, you have a good game, champ. Oh! And don't hurt yourself filming that fired content on me. Whatever, man. Chump. Move.
You got him heated.
I ain't worried.
Got under his skin.
Worried about him?
Switch to zone. Okay? Alright, I'll let you know. Forget about him.
Already done.
Focus on the things you can control tonight. From a team perspective, it's obvious. Play well, secure your spot in the rotation. Hey. We want you here. We drafted you for a reason, not him. Yes, there's noise. We hear it too. Good news is, you can control how loud or quiet it is based on how you handle Shep tonight.
I hear half the crowd chanting his name, coach. That's all the fuel I need.
It's a big game.
Ooh, I played a big game before.
That's right. Now go, get it.
I got you.
Hi, everyone. We're here in sunny Las Vegas as we get set for the NBA Summer League Championship. I'm Brian Anderson, joined by Richard Jefferson and Grant Hill. Grant, what a terrific 10 days of basketball we have seen so far.
Yeah, and BA, the best is yet to come. We've got the best two teams of the past week facing off, but the real story is between MP and Shep Owens.
Might be Summer League, but some bad blood between these two. Rookies, to say the least. both incoming players will be looking to make a point in this title game.
Well, it might be July, but bragging rights are always going to be on the line between MP and Shep. Don't tell them this is just a summer league game.
And that one's good. Quickly.
A quality pass, setting up a quality shot. It's just textbook basketball.
Here's Owens. Pass to McGowens. The three is up. The rebound by MP. Well, you know, Grant, the buzz surrounding this Summer League final, the matchup between MP and Shep Owens. Owens has had some sharp criticisms about MP after he was selected before him in the draft.
Yeah, B.A., I believe the term Shep used was rec league. MP hasn't done much to respond, but he might have been waiting to do that on the court. This Summer League final is the perfect chance to prove a point.
No offense to the rec league. A little over a minute gone here in the first quarter. Pass to Williams. Kicks it out to MP. From downtown, he buries it from three. MP's got 5.
3 out of 3. Perfect start. Let's see how long they can ride this wave.
Boy, they need something to go to regain some confidence.
No question. Way too many empty possessions for them.
Here's Owens. Covered by MP. You know that Owens was gunning to score there. He wanted to come right back at MP after giving up those points.
And, you know, we see it time and time again. Owens plays above the rim in ways that others just can't.
MP outside. Back to Quickly. 5 to shoot. Pass to MP. And MP works his way inside and gets it to go. A swift answer to Owens on the other end.
Wow, now this is how you want to start your games. Flawless shooting so far.
You know, Grant, watching Shep during these Summer League games, man, the athleticism is off the charts.
It really is, B.A. I mean, his numbers didn't lie. He is a special talent with his athleticism. You can see the potential oozing off of him, and he could end up the best player in the draft.
Quickly outside. Another one falls for New York.
Wow, he doesn't make those kind of plays too often. Sweet move inside.
The Clippers have gone 2 for 5 here in the first. Here's Owens. And the dunk to finish it off. A beauty.
Love to see him inside passing like this, as well as guys being on the same page.
MP left side. Quickly outside. To the middle. Kicks it out to MP. New York needs to get one up quick. The timer ticks. And it's good for 2.
And their offensive game plan is clear. Get it inside and go to work.
And the foul called on MP. That's his first foul.
First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution on the court.
And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in. Pass to Boston from the arc. No good there. New York goes the other way with it. Well, Grant, with Summer League finals underway, we'll soon have to say goodbye to our time here in Vegas.
And you know, B.A., even though Las Vegas doesn't have an NBA team, they are very much connected to the league. Now, I know you and I both will be missing the incredible restaurants here on the Strip.
Yeah, no doubt, especially when you're buying.
Exactly.
Here's Boston. Over MP, 6 to shoot. And again, it's the Clippers missing.
Probably not the shot they had in mind, but you can't fault him. He had a clean look. So far, they're owning both ends of the floor. We'll see if they can keep this going.
They came out and bum rushed them. Huge difference in activity level from both teams tonight.
Here's McGowens. Well, he hasn't put up any points yet in this one. Oh, the offensive struggles continue. Missing again. Pass to McBride. Now Mobley. Back to MP. Soft touch off the glass. MP's got 14.
Talk about putting a team on your back. He has been dominant this quarter, and I don't think they are winning without him.
About 3 seconds between the shot clock and the game clock. To the wing on the left. Lays it up and banks it in.
Pounding it inside early and often, setting a physical tone.
Here's McBride. There's a screen. Pass to MP. And the Knicks, another three.
Boy, I like their energy coming in. Terrific execution so far.
Couldn't come up with a much better start than this. They just have to keep it going.
And so it's MP making things happen for the New York Knicks. He dropped 3 threes in that quarter. They haven't found an answer for him yet. More NBA on 2K Sports right after this. And welcome back from Las Vegas, Nevada. Second quarter action of the Summer League Championship on the way. Here in the Summer League Finals, this is the end to a great week and a half of basketball. And a closer look here at the scoring breakdown for the Knicks.
At the line for one.
And a reminder, the teams that play for the Summer League Championship are those with the best record through the first 4 games. Grant, there's an elaborate tiebreaker system in place that we don't want to get into.
Yeah, well, some teams can go 4-0 and not play in the finals. But fortunately, both of the teams here tonight were clearly the top teams in Vegas.
Shot clock at 6. Takes it inside. Owens, no good.
I'll tell you what, they've rebounded the ball tremendously well.
And MP has been putting on a show here against Shep, Grant.
Yeah, B.A., it's almost like he's come out with an axe to grind, doing everything he can to make Shep eat his words.
MP, oh, he's on fire. 8 for 8 and just looking relentless.
And so far, this game has belonged to MP, getting to his spots and executing with ease.
Outside, Williams. A minute 39 left to play in the first half of basketball. Owens was looking for a shot on that one. Gets inside to answer MP's score right back.
Fantastic touch. Owens using the teardrop to perfection.
MP up top. 19 points in the game.
And you know, B.A., that's one great thing about Summer League. It's a great chance for undrafted players to catch on with the team.
Hey, we see a number of undrafted rookies play their way into a training camp scene here. The Summer League always has a few surprise standouts.
Yes, it really does. Yeah, they're really cashing in more at the line here in the second quarter.
Pass to Owens. There's a screen. Shot on the wing. It's rebounded by New York.
So far this quarter, he's been out of sync and might be pressing right now.
MP finds Toppin. Oh, and a beautiful feed leads to a monster jam.
He did. I mean, MP understands how to read a defense, including how to spot overcommitments and getting it to open teammates.
Puts up a 3. And Toppin pulls it down. New York has gone 3 of 4 from distance in this game. Pass to quickly. Oh, he goes up high for the two-handed slam.
Leaving absolutely nothing on the table right now. Their focus and execution has been outstanding.
It's caused them to pull away a bit. Let's see if they can keep the train on the tracks.
3-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Here's McGowan's. Williams defending. Here's Owens. It's rebounded by New York. Mobley's got 4 rebounds now. Here's MP. Oh, and he just knocked down the buzzer beater.
Great job ending the quarter on a high note.
That's the play that pumps up the whole team, and they'll try to carry that energy into the next period.
Well, it's as sweltering as ever here in Las Vegas. Second half of the Summer League Championship just starting up. Well, Grant, the NBA has been holding a Summer League in Las Vegas since 2004. It's a great venue for the event.
Yeah, it really is, BA. Now, there were also other locations for Summer League. Utah, Orlando. But Vegas is the one where every team participates. And as I think back to all the Summer Leagues we've seen, BA, there have been some great performances from soon-to-be breakout players.
Well, sometimes a great summer amounts to nothing in the regular season, but sometimes you get a sneak peek of a player who's about to make a name for themselves. Now here's MP. Not a lot of room. Outside, Williams. Here's Quickly. Cashes it in from 11 feet. Quickly's got 9.
They're really dictating the tempo on both ends of the court. We love it.
And guys, to go on a big run, get some breathing space, it has to be a great play on each end.
And they're up considerably because of their efforts on the glass.
To the inside. Here's Sims. And he makes it on the layup.
A great move. I mean, the defense has no response.
Yeah, taking it right to the rim. One imagines that might be discussed at halftime. That's going to be on the film.
And the foul called on MP. That's foul number 2 for him.
Second team foul. Coming onto the floor for the Clippers, number 4.
And if you're just joining us, we've played just over a minute here in the third. Pass to McGowans. Here's Davison. Just 5 on the clock. 11 feet out. And Toppin pulls it down. Toppin's got 5 rebounds tonight from deep. MP. And again, New York with the triple. Well, Grant, we knew that MP could shoot, but man, he has been lights out from three-point range here in Vegas.
Yeah, BA, I mean, MP has been so dialed in. His shooting has been a big part of the success he's found here in Summer League. Coming out stone cold here. Sometimes the break will do that to you.
And we're just about 2 minutes into the final half of play now. Down low. Pass to Williams. MP way outside. And the Knicks, another 3.
Their execution after halftime has been excellent, making their first 4.
The Clippers have gone 0 for 3 to start the second half. Trying to find a spark here.
Yes, indeed. A rough stretch offensively. They could really use a basket.
Here's Williams. And the officials called goaltending, so they'll award the basket.
He almost blocked that shot in time, just a nanosecond late.
Second half of play here. We're just under 2.5 minutes past. Now here's MP. The D's right on him. To the paint. Sims. Oh, and makes it with the kiss.
I just love the ball movement.
The Clippers have gotten just 1 of 5 shots to drop since halftime. Pass to Boston. Clock keeps going. 3 minutes into the second half now. And there's a pick. Takes a 3. The Clippers rebound. And here's New York now. It's a 12-2 run here. Good pace. Here's Grimes. Back to MP. Pass to McBride. There's the 3. Good. And the assist goes to MP. MP's got 3 assists tonight.
This defense just can't stay connected to shooters.
And MP just pouring it on here. An absolute statement game from him in this Summer League Championship, Grant.
Oh, man. B.A. Shep might be regretting ever opening his mouth on MP. What a game we've seen from the 18th pick.
And this is exactly what you expect of MP. He puts on his hard hat and hits you where it hurts.
That free throw no good.
At the line for 2.
Good on the second one. And for Los Angeles, they're shooting just 24% in this one. Not great.
Get the perimeter!
Here's Juzang. Pass to Boston. They set the pick. So it'll be 2 free throws. He was fouled in the act of shooting.
Man, the defender really went after him.
And a moment here to take a look at the scoring breakdown for New York. That's also good, so he hits both free throws. And the Knicks with possession. They're on a 16-4 run. MP outside. MP is doubled. Pass to McBride. Beyond the arc. Knocks down the long J. He's got 6.
They're getting torched on the perimeter. 4 of the last 5 buckets have been threes.
30 seconds left to play in the third quarter here. Here's Boston. Clock at 6. And there's the screen. Lets it go from deep.
Los Angeles foul. Number 40. First personal foul.
And this will cap off the Summer League here in Vegas. 75 games played over the past week and a half, Grant.
Yeah, B.A., it's such a great destination for hoop fans. You get to see so much basketball in a short time and see the future of the NBA. And as we get close to the end of Summer League, B.A., you start to feel that the NBA season has truly begun.
Well, training camps will open soon. The preseason, you can feel that buzz of a new season already starting to form into reality.
And he's such a humble guy. MP lets his game do the talking.
Pass to Davison. Third minute of action now gone here in the fourth. Here's Hall.
2 minutes.
And again, no good by the Clippers.
There's no way that's the best look this offense can produce.
And you couldn't get a better shot off? Like, come on, you got to make the extra pass. Like, being a teammate will go so far in this league.
Kicks it out to MP. Pass to Lewis. Here's Gillespie. And here's MP from outside. And the Knicks, another 3.
Their strategy has been pretty simple here in the second half. Attack from three-point range.
And you see this so much more nowadays in the NBA. Teams putting a larger emphasis on jacking up threes.
And down it goes. 2 points.
And what a complete performance we saw from them. A dominant win in every way for the Knicks.
And the disparity in the talent was obvious by the end. Sometimes you just don't have enough ammunition to compete.
Yeah, B.A., just a total beatdown. And the next time these teams meet, I can't imagine it'll be any different.
And of all the highlights and performances we've seen here tonight, the one thing that stands out is what an unbelievable night it's been for MP.
And he was getting buckets all night long, giving the defense that work.
Here's Owens, covered by MP. They get it back. And good work on the boards as they picked up the second chance points.
Wow, he really fires up his team with his ability to extend possessions.
There's 38 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Pass to Lewis. Here's Gillespie. Now here's MP. And MP throws it down.
This is what winning is all about. Playing your best when it matters most.
And let me tell you, as a team, you love to hit your stride right at the crucial moment. They put this game away in style.
Free throw good, MP.
And what you like about MP is that he doesn't take himself too seriously, which helps him mesh well with other players and coaches.
Oh, great D that time from MP. There's the triple. Pure from three-point range. MP's got 43 points.
Yeah, he's in his bag from beyond the arc right now. You see his confidence.
And, of course, it helps space the floor, which gives this offense more room to operate.
And the New York Knicks are your NBA 2K23 Summer League champions.
Yeah, just a great showing from the...
Oh, that's some fire content back there, bro. Hold on.
Congrats. You won the preseason game.
That's it. I also embarrassed you, didn't I? Don't forget that.
You think I'm about to waste my energy on some summer league game? You're clueless, bro.
Oh, you trying to save face, ain't you? Keep that same energy, though.
I got our first game circled on my calendar, my guy. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, I'm looking forward too, champ. Embarrass you on the larger stage. Ooh. Ice up, my man. I'll see you soon.
Never, man.
Hey, boss, how's it going?